Welcome to the video that answers the question, what is the second grade problem-solving screener? The second grade problem-solving screener is a diagnostic assessment that's tied to the previous grade level's prerequisite text. Since this assessment is given to every second grade math student at the beginning of the school year, it tests problem-solving with first grade concepts and applications, skills that students entering grade 2 should have mastered. It is important to note that there is no time limit for the problem-solving screener. If a particular student takes much longer than other students, that rate of speed is worth noting, but don't cut a student off if they are still productively engaging with the assessment. On the other hand, don't allow a student to sit frustrated for a lengthy amount of time, unable to answer any items. Use your professional judgment. This paper and pencil assessment may be given to the whole class at once. As with mathematics unit assessments, the teacher may provide oral administration for this beginning of year assessment. The second grade problem-solving screener is 20 questions long. Not every item includes a number line, but these first two problems happen to. Visuals are used throughout the assessment, which is a mix of multiple choice, fill in the blank, and free response items. The entire assessment is linked on the Math Personalized Learning site for you to print, copy, and staple for your class. This paper-pencil assessment may be given to the whole class at one time. A key that denotes which first grade math text to which each question aligns is provided on the Math Personalized Learning site. Note that the last column of the key also states which reporting category the item is aligned to.